Do I recommend the Beautylish Lucky Bag to you? I'm sorry guys, no I don't. Definitely go with either like a FabFitFun, like that one's my top recommendation, a boxycharm, a one branded mystery bag. Again, like I said, I am not working with any of these companies, so this is a complete like customer to customer, let's fairly and mathematically figure out what is the best bang for your buck kind of conversation. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Julia Zuniga. If you're new here, nice to meet you. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag. I did get the regular bag, and I have to say, guys, I think this is my last year trying out these bags. I did order one last year. I will link that review unboxing up here. And I wasn't that impressed with it last year, but this year, I feel like it was even worse. Like, I feel like Beautylish really has like dropped the ball this year. And I'll tell you why in this video. I break it down, numbers, percentages. Is it really a good value for your buck compared to what else is out there? And one thing I have to say too, guys, is I know like in the previous years, one thing that was kind of cool about the lucky bags is some people got extra lucky bags, you know what I mean? Where they got crazy values and crazy amount of products, and that was kind of like the fun, like, oh, am I gonna get an extra lucky bag this year? So far from Instagram and the videos I've seen on YouTube, I haven't seen one really lucky bag, like one where the value is much more than 50% of what you paid. So yeah, let's just get into it. This is what This is what the packaging looks like this year. The theme is sumo wrestlers. Now, I paid a total of $85 for this box. The bag itself was $75, but this year they charged $10 for shipping, which we're gonna get into more details about that later. Last year, I believe they only charged, or at least I only got charged $7 shipping. This is the only beauty box out of like mystery boxes, subscription boxes that I have ever purchased where you have to pay shipping. And this is the most money I've ever dropped on a beauty box. So just throwing that out there, like I said, we'll get into details later. I just first want to show you guys what I got in my box. And that's the other thing I want to say first is that I am not unhappy with the contents of my box. I don't think they're bad products. I actually like some of the products. What I'm unhappy about is the value and kind of just bang for your buck compared to what else you can get out there. So first, I got this package, which it is the Jouer Best of Lip Topper Collection. This retails for $33 and it comes with 7 of Jouer's lip toppers, which I love Jouer as a brand. Jouer did have their own mystery bag, which like I said, we're gonna talk about that, but I love Jouer. This is what it looks like. They are very small sample sizes, and even though I'm not a big lip topper person, I don't know, I just don't really use lip toppers very often. I don't think this is a bad item. Next, we have a little bundle here. And the first thing I got in here is a Wayne Goss brush. It's the number 15 fan brush. This retails for $25, and I got my first actual Wayne Goss brush in last year's beauty bag. Oh my gosh, this actually feels good to stretch. Last year, I got the 17 crease brush, which, guys, these brushes are so soft. They're so freaking expensive, but they are really good quality. This is not a bad item. Next thing I got is something that everybody got in their box, but there was like 2 variations, and it says coming soon to Beautylish. And I'm actually really like, this is the thing that I'm most excited about in my box, as weird as that sounds, but I'm so excited because I got the super peptide serum one. I think they also had like an under eye serum, which I was so intrigued by this. It's by the brand called Good Molecules. It says formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I've been really into serums lately, and I love trying new skincare. And this brand actually is a newer brand. I think it's like a Korean skincare brand, but it's manufactured in California. I don't really know. But this is what the bottle looks like. It is glass. And I do not think that this is gonna retail for a very high value, because if you go to their website, nowhere does it say how much this product is, but it does say that their products start at $6. So I'm thinking this is gonna be kind of like comparable to maybe like The Ordinary, where their products are not gonna be that expensive, which is totally fine with me. You guys know I'm the biggest cheap on the planet, but I mean, this doesn't really add much to the value of the box. I don't think, at least. But like I said, this is the product I'm most excited about. Next thing I got is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. It comes with 3 travel sizes. And again, like, I'm really not upset. Wow, stop rolling around. I'm really not upset about this item. Again, they're very, very tiny. I don't know how much use you're gonna get out of these, but I've heard so many people rave about this product. It retails for $25. And again, I don't think this is a bad product to get. I will say one thing I really wanted so bad that I saw a couple other people get is the Hourglass setting powder. Oh, I was like praying. I was like, please, I want that in my box. Like, I'll be so excited. I didn't get it, but that's okay. That's just like one of the main things that I was hoping to get in here, just if you're curious. So the next thing I got is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. It is powered with echinacea, green envy, and honey. I think the packaging is super nice. Like, it feels really luxurious. This does retail for $28, so it is a pricey face wash, and it is full size. This is what it looks like. Again, I love skincare, but I hate getting addicted to like expensive cleansers. Again, like, I'm a cheapo, but again, like, not a bad item. I'm not upset about it. And the last thing I got was pretty cool. I know a lot of people were hoping for this. I did get the Natasha Denona Camel Palette. This retails for $48, and I've never tried Natasha Denona. I will be honest, I am not a big fan of like 5-pan palettes. I don't know, something about it, like, you can definitely do a complete look with this, but I like bigger palettes where you have like a variety, you know what I mean? I don't know, that's just a personal thing. But this is a really nice item to get. Natasha Denona is so expensive. I will say, I feel like last year, some of her palettes she came out with did not get very good reviews. So I feel like, for me, like, the impression I get of Natasha Denona is not as wow as it was last year. Just because her palettes are so expensive, and a lot of people have said, like, yeah, they're good, but you know, they are very expensive. Anyways, so that's what I got in my box. We'll recap really quick. I got 6 items. We got the Jouer Best of Lip Toppers, which are trial sizes. We also got another trial size set, which was the Stila Glitter and Glow Eyelash eyeshadow set. We got a Wayne Goss fan brush, and for full-size products we got the Pharmacy Clean Bee Facial Cleanser, the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, and the Natasha Denona Camel Eyeshadow Palette. So the total value of my box is $159 plus. That's not including the price of that serum, which honestly, guys, I really don't think that serum is gonna be more than $15. I feel like it's gonna be more like 10 to 12, but I don't really know. Again, we could be surprised. So I paid $85 and I got $159 value. Now, let's break down some math, guys. I wanna compare this Beautylish bag to 4 other beauty boxes that I have personally tried out myself. 2 of them are mystery bags, just like this one, and then 2 of them are subscription boxes. So we're gonna compare the Jouer mystery box that I got last month, which I did do a full unboxing review of that. I'll link that up here, and I'll link all the videos I'm talking about in the description box below as well. The other mystery bag I want to compare this to is the Too Faced mystery bag, which I also got recently. Again, it'll be down below for you guys, and up here if I have enough allotted card spaces. And the 2 subscription boxes I want to compare it to are FabFitFun, which have an unboxing of that, and boxycharm, which I don't have a recent unboxing of that. I haven't had boxycharm in a while. I'm kind of thinking about getting it again, because once you hear like the statistics and stuff like that, you'll be like, okay, that's actually one of the best bang for your bucks. But I'll link some of my old reviews down below. So how we're gonna compare these fairly, because they're all different prices, you know what I mean, is we're gonna take the amount saved percentage. That way it's kind of an even playing field. We can compare all the boxes. The percentage is gonna be the way to compare them. And how we're gonna do that is, I'm gonna do it for you so you don't have to like memorize this or anything. But basically what I did to get these percentages is you divide the price difference, which is the total amount you saved, by the original price, which is gonna be the total value of the box. So let's just go in order of best bang for your buck. So the highest percentage of savings to the lowest out of all of those boxes that I mentioned. Coming in at number 1 is FabFitFun, which again, before we get into this, every single one of these boxes, except for Beautylish, you received free shipping. And as a matter of fact, any kind of makeup website you go to, usually if you spend $50 or more, sometimes they'll have promos like $25 or more, you get free shipping. It's really not hard to get free shipping anywhere, like any online website. So the fact that Beautylish, their lowest price box is $75, and even the $150 box, you still have to pay shipping. That is kind of not really the norm. Usually when you're dropping that kind of money, companies will say, don't worry, we got shipping for you. So anyways, I have notes here, which is why I'm looking down. FabFitFun boxes are $49.99. Another thing to factor, if you type in FabFitFun into YouTube, pull up a big YouTuber's unboxing, they most always have a $10 discount code. So like I said, free shipping. I technically paid $39.99 for last season's FabFitFun box. The value of my box was $327. So I paid almost half the amount I paid for this Beautylish box, but the value of that box was $327. And I got some awesome products, and what's cool about FabFitFun is now you can kind of choose some of your products too, which is nice. You definitely don't get to choose anything in the Beautylish box. And for the calculation of the percentage saved, I did go ahead and use the original $49.99 amount without the discount, which comes out to, I got 85% savings on that box. Next best value for your buck is gonna be boxycharm, which is $21 a month, free shipping. Again, you only have to spend $21 and they give you free shipping. So January's boxycharm box was valued at $110. That's 81% savings. Next was the Too Faced mystery box that I got this year. I paid $42 for it. I did get charged $3.44 in tax, so my total I paid was $45.44. Again, free shipping, and the value was $123, so I saved 63% with the Too Faced box. Then is the Jouer mystery box, which I have to say was like one of my favorites, because again, I really love Jouer. So even though this was at the bottom of the list, you kind of know what you're getting. You know the brand, you know what I mean? It's not as like a wild card as Beautylish is, which I think adds a little more value if you know kind of more of what you're getting. And I got some bomb freaking products in there. Again, like check that video out if you want to see what I got. But the mystery box I got was $65. However, Jouer always has, for the most part, a coupon code going, as do most online companies. Anytime you're ordering something online, it's so easy to find at least a 15% off to 10% off your total purchase. I think the coupon code I found, I don't remember, but it was a $9.75 discount, which you could use on the mystery box. Again, free shipping. So I paid $55.25 for that box, and the value was $138, and I saved 60%. Lastly, at the very bottom is Beautylish. The bag was $75, you paid $10 shipping, so I paid $85, and for the calculation, I way beefed up the price of that serum. I gave it $20, which again, I highly doubt it's gonna be more than $15, but for the sake of being fair, I estimated the price of it to be $20, so that would bump up my value to $179, which, like I said, being generous, that only gives you a 52% amount of saving. Which, is that still a good deal? Yes. Compared to everything else out there, is it a good deal? No, especially when you consider the fact that Beautylish has a whole year to make deals with brands, find good deals to put in their boxes, you know what I mean? BoxyCharm, which is number 2 on the list, is a once every single month box, and they're the lowest priced ones. That's the other thing too to consider is Beautylish lucky bags are the most expensive ones. So you are investing a lot of money and not getting a lot of savings. Normally how consumerism works is the more money you invest, the more savings you get. So yeah, if you're a visual person, like I'm totally a visual person, I will link all the boxes in order of highest savings to lowest savings down below for you and include the percentages. But again, just to summarize this whole video, Beautylish is by far the most expensive box. They're the only one that makes you pay shipping and a hefty price for shipping. They take the longest to develop their box, meaning it only comes out once a year, so they have a long time to basically get their box together. And they were the lowest percentage value of savings. So do I recommend the Beautylish lucky bag to you? I'm sorry guys, no I don't. Definitely go with either like a FabFitFun, like that one's my top recommendation, a boxycharm, a one branded mystery bag. Thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to come watch my video. I know there's a lot of these out there, so thank you for watching mine. If you got some helpful information and some helpful insight, please leave a like. That would really help me out in the YouTube algorithm and it'll make me happy too. And per usual, like I have to say this, but really guys, like if you're watching this and are not yet a part of my YouTube family, hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments if you are a new subscriber so I can say hi to you. Other than that guys, I will catch you in my next video.